we are going to practice comparing and ordering numbers. Now, you may think, Mrs. Herneisen, we've done this a few times. Remember when you first came into the third grade classroom and it seemed like the math had just like, whoa, that everything was new? In the fall, we're starting with place value. This is literally what we're going to be doing. So as we practice it now, this is actually fourth grade stuff, even though it's reviewing our third grade stuff too. So I just want you to realize how much you've learned this year. You're totally ready for this, and this is what we'll start fourth grade with. So we're going to practice it so you feel comfortable. You've got to decide if you're going to put a greater than, less than, or equal to. Remember that L for less. And I always say the big mouth opens up towards the big number. So whichever one's bigger is going to be like chomped on by that mouth. Okay, so the big mouth faces the bigger number. So whichever number is bigger will get eaten up. So when we look at this, how do we compare numbers? We want to go ahead and make our houses. And I don't really care if you have the roofs or not, but I do want to make sure that you have the correct rooms. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000s, 10,000s, 100,000s, and then we fill in our numbers. I always start filling in from the ones place to make sure I don't skip anything. And then when we compare, we start at the front of the number. We start at the biggest place value. 3, that doesn't really help us. They're both the same. So now when we're like, oh, 2 is bigger than 1. So 2 is bigger than 1. So let's put the big mouth towards the 2 because 2 is bigger than 1. 3,261 is greater than 3,161. That's how you compare. If we throw a third number in here, if we don't have that symbol, then we're just going to add another one in the rooms of the houses. Find the biggest one, then the middle, then the smallest. All right? I know you guys can do this. Do good work today.